You got the purple streetlights where you're at?
No, we still have the HPS, like the old-fashioned ones here.
Oh, you don't have any purple ones?
I haven't seen any.
Well, the story is that there was a manufacturer error, and so the lights turn purple or something. And they went all over the country because it's all over the States. And that just is not, that explanation doesn't hold water to me. Like, if you know that these light bulbs or that these lights are fucked up and they turn purple, how are you still installing them? Because there's new ones going up. And it's been going on for like 2 years now. Cammy hasn't seen them either. Damn, CJ, where you live? I can't believe none of you guys have purple lights. I walked down the street with myself, and I got two just right down the street here, right by me.
Optogenetics is the ability to manipulate individual neuronal circuits, refining our vision, the function of individual circuits, and how they relate to different aspects of our behavior and of our personality.
The basal ganglia is a part of your brain that is damaged in Parkinson's disease. This part of the brain contains many kinds of neurons, and they're all intermingled. If you activate a certain subset of them with optogenetics, you can make a rat freeze up and have difficulty walking. If you activate a different subset, the rats start moving faster.
They take light-sensitive proteins from very humble species, such as algae, and can put them into another animal, such as a rat or a mouse. This gives you the ability to control the activity of your brain cells just by shining light on them.
So imagine if we could use optogenetics or similar technology to get the input from an artificial sensor into our brain. In principle, we could not only restore function, we could enhance our current functions. So we could give ourselves ultraviolet light detectors, for example, the way mantis shrimps have. Or we could take an example from fruit flies and give ourselves carbon dioxide detectors, and then we could automatically sense our air quality.
The interesting thing about purple lights and blue, violet, is that it can hold the most data. There's scientific experiments with LED lights, as we see the LED lights being rolled out all over the world, not only for the Internet of Things, but these LED lights, there's scientific experiments proving that they can place false memories into people's brains and also control nanoparticles in the behavior of mammals and bacteria. Harvard researchers are saying there's a dark side to this blue light. This is why they make blue light glasses. But the reason it can store so much data for this mind control with purple and blue and violet that we see these lights popping up everywhere, this is why we have Blu-ray discs and Bluetooth, because blue can hold the data.
So far, optogenetics has had a lot of impact in the scientific world, but it hasn't been used in any human patients yet. There are a couple reasons why. One is that it requires a gene therapy. It requires a gene therapy to deliver the gene that encodes for these light-activated molecules into the body. Currently in the US, there are no FDA-approved gene therapies. In Europe, there's just one.